Hey friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So you might have clicked this video because you wanted to learn on how to block pop-ups in Chrome or some advertisements or redirects. So now, how do we do that? First, you have to go to Chrome, your Google Chrome, and then let's say we're going to visit yahoo.com. So I'm going to teach you two ways. One will be on a particular website, and then the other way is on all of the website. So now, like for instance, here on the yahoo.com, we want to block the pop ads and redirect, so we can just simply toggle this one off, or we can also go to the site setting and then go to pop up and redirect. So it's now in allow mode. So let's block that one. Okay. Now let's have the second way, which is to block all the pop-ups and redirects in all of the websites. So what we have to do is just click the three dots in here on the upper right corner and then click on settings. And then now let's click the privacy and security. And then let's go to the site settings and just look for pop-ups and redirect. So as you can see in here, there's two options. The first option is sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. And the second one is to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So we're going to click this one and then it will not allow sites now to send your pop-ups or any pop-ups or use redirects. So that's the two ways on how you can block pop-ups in Chrome. So I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please give us your thumbs up. And if you find this video helpful for you, hit the subscribe button and notification bell button to be updated on our new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on our next YouTube tutorials. Thank you so much.